Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. We're looking at Bitcoin. We're going to be talking CKB. So bear with me 1 second. June 10th, 9:15 a.m. Central Time on the, what was that, the 4th or the 5th? Well, 5 or 6 days ago, I made this video on Bitcoin. I said, mark your calendars, folks. I said, mark your calendars for June 8th. June 8th, I said, was going to be an important date for the short-term future. And look at what happened. June 8th rolls around, and we have a big reversal point and a bottom happen. Now, Bitcoin has shot up since then. I'm going to share a few different concerns I have with all of you right now. And we're talking Bitcoin, so we can talk CKB because this all ties together as everyone seems to follow the leader, which is Bitcoin. So we are looking at a symmetrical triangle formation with Bitcoin. The market is squeezing. I hope we see a bounce of the 50 and the 200. We do not want to see this 50 move under this 200. That is the death cross. We do not want that. We need to trade sideways. We need to curve this 50 to come up like this. So with that said, let's just scoot over to a 12-hour chart so we can get as much data as possible. I suspect that we will see Bitcoin kind of tank here in the next couple days. I'm hoping I'm wrong, and I'm hoping Bitcoin can form some sort of bull pennant here and pop out of this trend that we are in, because right now this symmetrical triangle has a stranglehold on the market, folks. Let's run a little bit of Fibonacci here, and we can definitely see that today, June 10th, could be a reversal point for Bitcoin to start moving back downwards. So keep that in mind. There could be something happening here. That's really all we can talk about for Bitcoin at this moment. Obviously, I'm expecting two things to happen. And I've mentioned this in the previous video. Either we have a corrective wave like this, or what will happen is we will come down and bounce around here and possibly move up and could form a big cup and handle. Nobody knows. It's too early to speculate about this right now. We need to focus on hitting and maintaining this 50% line. Actually, this would be the first line of defense if Bitcoin moves lower. The 61.8 on a retracement chart would be right here where this 38.2 is, and that would be our second line of defense, right around 25,000. Let's talk CKB, what you guys are all here for. And now that you kind of understand what's going on with Bitcoin, we can take a closer look. I want to look at the daily, though, on CKB. We can definitely see that there is a symmetrical triangle pattern kind of forming, similar to Bitcoin, and that makes perfect sense. In the last video I did, I had mentioned how, I think it was on a 4-hour chart actually, how we dipped down here, and I was speculating that we'd come back up and retest this 200 moving average. And that seems to be what is happening. Now, if we can go bullish from here and pull this 50 moving average up over this 200, we'll have a golden cross, which is generally a nice bullish thing to see. We can see a golden cross here. So that would be nice to see at this point in time. I think we might see CKB go up higher to the 20.022 cent range and really start to kind of play and squeeze into this triangle. June 18th, we might see something happen. Let's just run a little Fibonacci here and see if anything appears. Look at this, folks. June 18th, could possibly be a big pivot point for Nervos CKB. So there's just too much to speculate on. Folks, you guys killed it on the last video. 99 likes the last time I checked. Go back. If you haven't liked it, do me a favor. Let's get that thing up over 100. If you liked this content and what I'm doing, especially for Nervos Network, CKB technical analysis, please, by all means, subscribe to the channel. It's free. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. And please smash that like button. The more people we can get these videos out in front of, the more bullish things could get. So, in the name of the next CKB bull run to the moon, smash that like button. Also, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, folks. I don't know what yet. I've got some old parts off my Lamborghini, and I'm kind of thinking that it might be fun to send somebody an emblem or something. I've got some emblems that came off my old rims, so we might send those out, a couple of them, to a lucky winner, or just give out straight up crypto. Maybe we'll do a CKB giveaway. I'm thinking once we hit like 6,500 subscribers or 7,000 subscribers, we might go ahead and do that. So thank you all for being here today. I hope you have a wonderful day. This is Six Fig Stock Trader signing out.